Hi everyone, Dawn here from Padamo Crafts. I thought I'd just do another quick flip through of one of my journals. Again, another hard cover with fabric. The measurements are just over 6 inches by 8.5. It's got a spine of just below an inch. Closure, just an eyelet closure with some sari silk and satin ribbon. Okay, first page, inside cover, some vintage book page, fabric pocket with a lace pocket on top, and two little pockets on the inside. This is a couple of tags or journal spaces or decorations made from one of Tracy Fox's digitals. This page has some fussy cut butterfly, a Tracy Fox label on some cheesecloth. This page has two mushroom or toadstool pockets with some journaling cards, which I believe are from the Graphics Fairy. And on this page we have some more fussy cuts, a cute little bug, and the definition of love. Turning over, a tiny snippet with the definition of believe, some stenciling, fussy cut dragonfly, and a tiny Tracy Fox specimen slide. Turning over, got some Artie Maze digital, which opens up for some journaling space with an Artie Maze tag. This page is one of G from Happiness in Crafting's Friday freebies, I believe, with a small envelope for hiding some goodies in. A small pocket in the corner with another journaling card. A larger pocket trimmed with lace, and I believe this is one of Tracy Fox Artie Maze's collab labels, tags. More fussy cuts, antique papery, a die cut butterfly, and some cheesecloth. Each little pocket's got a journaling card in it. This is from My Porch Prints. It's on the centre of the signature, which is sewn in. Two stencils and the 3D butterfly with some journaling space. Here we've got one of Tim Holtz little people and some Tim Holtz acetate wings. This little pocket is from Artie Maze. I think it's her foxglove kit, and a little matchbook style notepad. Here we've got some more fussy cuts. These two I've embossed. These are just fussy cuts that I've turned into little pockets, tuck spots, with some die cut fussy cut butterfly. A Tim Holtz die cut, wildflowers, belly band with some vintage lace and rose trim, and another of Artie Maze Tracy Fox collab tags with some stamping on it. turning over. Edith Holden with some fussy cut butterflies. Stamp. A little pocket with some beautiful lace covering it. A Artie Mays Tracy Fox tag with a Tim Holtz die cut wildflowers. I think it's set 2. This has got some antique, Graphics Fairy, a teeny tiny snippet, end of the last signature, beginning of the next, and a couple of tags. Another teeny tiny snippet with an altered paperclip with a small piece of journaling space at the back, made into a slide with a die cut, fussy cut butterfly. Here is a piece from a book that I fussy cut and turned into a little pocket tuck spot with another tag, with a couple of fussy cuts on. This page is the fish page. These I believe all came from the Graphics Fairy, or I may have found them on Flickr. I can't remember. Here we've got Chapter 1 papers. Beautiful, beautiful kit that is. With another Tracy Fox, Artie Mays collab tag, and some fussy cut butterflies, Tracy Fox labels. Pocket. Here we've got a Edith Holden tag turned into a flip, into a pocket with a pocket underneath, and 3 tags, which I do believe came from Bohemian Crafting, the lovely Eva. This page, again, some more fussy cuts and a couple of tags to show that they're tuck spots. Here we've just got some page decoration and a little saying. I can't remember who these are from, but a little pocket with a tag, some Edith Holden, another little pocket, and another tag. This page we've got a Tracy Fox specimen slide, which I've put some dried flowers in the centre, and then a large journaling card to tuck underneath. Centre of the signature, some cheesecloth and a little saying. Here we've got a fussy cut frog, some cheesecloth, some sayings, a little snippet, a stag, beautiful stag pocket with another Tracy Fox Artie Mays collab tag and a Tim Holtz die cut. These are from the Graphics Fairy, as is this. And this I just found on Pinterest. Pockets. Here we've got a Artie Mays page, all her lovely slides, specimen slides. This is a tuck spot, excuse me. Artie Mays again, foxglove tag that I've added a little pocket onto with a couple of tiny tags in there. Vintage lace, cheesecloth. Here we've got a very tall pocket with a good size journaling spot. And the last page, back page, another of the little lacy pockets, fabric pocket, and 2 tall pockets filled with Tracy Fox's digitals. That's the end. Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything you'd like to see made, please just leave your comment below. Thank you ever so much. Bye.